Guys, happy quarantine day, like day 22, something like that. Fact, the wife will kill me before the virus does. The kid wanted to go to car meet, but before car meet, we need to eat. And here we go. Alright. Angus burger. Really, really thick. Who doesn't like thick? Thick.
We're on a car meet.
We're at a car meet? Let's see some cars. Yeah. What car is this? You don't even know the names, do you? A lot of Aston Martins for some reason. You guys probably already know that I'm an architect-ish. Or I have the degree. And this was a model I did a long time ago. And it was completely destroyed. I had a little kid come over and he just like picked them all off. Pretty funny. There's also a big building here he destroyed. It's whatever. I'm actually giving it away. Maybe some other kid can play with it. Player 2 has arrived. Hi boy, can you say cheese? Yeah. There you go. Now you're a professional. Little gangster looking little boy. I want you to make a ramp that will jump all those chairs over there. Zachary, say ah. Put your hand together. Good boy. Give me your hand. Vincent, go.
You got it. Oh, kids, we made it! Oh,
Were you scared to use your expensive one? You think it can make the jump? Here, go. It's only paint. And this has a new BRZ front.
if the boys have to give me that one.
Nope. Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yay, your car is unscratched. And now take it to the dump. These cars aren't worth much, but sentimental value. Got this when I was in Singapore. Oh my god, is that a penny? It is!